Alright, this is the Musso Throne Series GIANT 460A XL, and this chair is an absolute unit. Right away, you feel it. Wide seat, tall back, and built for people who are tired of small, cramped gaming chairs. This thing actually gives you space. Just to give you an idea on how big I am, I'm 5'11", and as you can see, I'm a pretty big guy. The cushioning of this chair is firm but comfortable, perfect for long gaming sessions or all-day work. No sinking, no pressure points, just a solid support. The recline is smooth and stable, the armrests are padded and adjustable, and the whole chair feels heavy-duty. No wobble, no cheap flex, just solid. Now if you're taller, bigger, or you just want a chair that feels premium and durable, this one delivers. The Musso GIANT 460A XL isn't just a gaming chair, it's a throne.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.